Alright folks, this is a quick tutorial to show you how you can remove the background from your dramatic lighting photograph. So the first thing we need to do is go to File Open or hit the Open button, and I'm going to look into my Downloads folder on my computer because that's where I have a bunch of different pictures. Okay, so I am going to click on one of my images and hit the Open button, and then I am going to activate the Object Selection tool. That is the keyboard shortcut W. And with that selected, you see how there is a pink outline around myself. I am going to ask it to remove the background, and it should provide me with a black and white mask on the background layer, effectively hiding what's going on in the background. I'll go ahead and move my layers window over just a touch so you can see that. Now that we have the background hidden, what I want to do is replace the background with something new. So I am going to go to this icon, which allows you to access the fill and adjustment layers. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go up to pattern. And right now the pattern that popped up is a bunch of leaves. Now I am going to look at some of the options that I have in here. There are trees and grass and water, and if you don't see the legacy patterns where they have a lot of the geometric and other patterns hidden, I will show you in a separate video how to access that. But I'm going to go down to the legacy patterns and look at some of these. Now right now they are quite small in scale, but I can scale them up, and you can see I can change the angle. And that's just a bunch of stripes. That's a grid, dash lines, dotted lines, all sorts of different things. So maybe I'll go with this one. Alright, so I'm going to click the OK button when I have what I want. And then I need to rearrange the layer order. I can always click and drag this, but if I hit the keyboard shortcut Control and the left bracket, it'll move the layer down. Control and the right bracket moves the layer up. So the same bracket key that we use to resize the brush tip when we're using our brush tool. Let me show you what that looks like. If I press the bracket key on the right, the brush gets bigger. Left, well, that's the same bracket key we would use to toggle the layers up and down. You just hold the Control key in addition to that. Alright, so I'm going to go to File, Save to save my file. Always save to the cloud. Okay, call it Remove BG Demo. And then as always, I'm going to go ahead and have Photoshop export a JPEG or a PNG. You can do a quick export as PNG, that's perfectly fine. I'm sending mine to the desktop. You can pick any of these folders that you want, and then I'll be ready to update my digital sketchbook with what I have. Alright, keep up the good work, guys.